Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you this Arctic fan and why is this 2 times the cooling power. There are 2 quick steps of doing this. First, I can do it with one hand. You get this cooling sponge out of here and then you put it into the water. So this is the first cooling power that it says. So after you make it all wet, you can open your freezer and put it into the freezer. So here I am, I have an existed after the cooling effect sponge. And then I can put it back here. So as you can see, I can do it with just one hand, so it's very easy. Okay, I'll put it here. So after you press start, the cooling power of the freeze sponge is very obvious. And then the second thing is that when you open the lid, you can also add fresh water into the fan as well. So in that case, you will have double the effect. Okay? So as you can see, you can put water in there, but actually the water doesn't strip down instantly, so you won't get flooded. It's all dry here. But what it does is that when you turn on the fan, it's very simple. It's just press this button. When you turn on the fan, it has the cooling effect of the water. And then the second effect is that you have the sponge in it. So in that case, you will have double the cooling power. That's how it's done. Okay?